Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a firefly. First, let's draw two big rounds for the eyes, and now we're gonna connect them with a curve to form the head. And next, we're gonna draw the antennae. Let's make two of them. Up and a twirl at the end, just like this. And next, we're gonna draw the wings. We have to draw two wings. Let's make them big, so it's gonna be so cute. Now let's draw the body and the light that glow. That's the back of the firefly that glow. And now let's make the eyes sparkly. Draw two small circles. One is a little bit bigger, and then envelope them in a circle for the pupil, just like this. And don't forget the pattern of the wings. Just draw lines along the wings in the middle, just like this, and the other one as well. Oh, I'm gonna fix this and make it longer. And now it's done. We are ready to color. I'm coloring the eyes black, while the head and the upper abdomen would be dark brown, just like this. Firefly comes out at night and it has a glow at the bottom of its body. We're gonna color it yellow so it looks like it's glowing. And also for the wings, we're gonna color it blue, just like this. You don't need to put pressure, so it's gonna be like light blue. And then at the top near the head, just make it darker, just like this. And next, to have the glowing thingy, you just draw lines around the bottom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.